Good morning. Welcome to this toolbox training session where I'm going to take you through the main points of CarTeck sectional door. But it's a bit more than that. This is a new product, a new panel set, SLX, and I think you'll think it's a fair addition to our bling products. It's a cracking looking door, this. And by the time we put it in, the sun will be going down, we'll get some backlit in it, and it'll look fantastic. Stay with us. Cheers. Okay, so we're going to get started now. We're going to open this frame pack. But before we start, I want to introduce you to somebody. This, everybody, is our Managing Director, Steve Hilton. Say good morning, Steve.
Good morning.
Excellent. Let's get going then.